You have the Cloud Mobile C7. Make sure that we're talking about the same phone. It has the little square in the back with two camera and the flash and a little tiny bar that reads 8 megapixels. Little tiny vent in the back for speakers, and you're having problems getting your phone to power on. So let's troubleshoot it. Here are 6 things to check before you throw your Cloud Mobile C7 in the trash. The first one is that because the back is removable, make sure you've clicked the back all the way, because right now I'm pushing the button, and because the back is not all the way clicked on, it does not power on. So let's click that. Now that it's all the way clicked, now you should get power to the power button. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is double check to make sure that when you've changed something and you've taken the back cover off of your Cloud Mobile C7, that you don't have dirt or grime blocking the buttons, because the buttons are built into the case. And same with on this side. And if you need to, grab an old paintbrush and just brush the grime away. Same with here. You brush the grime away, dust, dirt. And if you don't have a paintbrush, just a dust cloth like this can probably get away whatever dirt or grime that is blocking your phone. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3, check your battery. Even though the battery on the Cloud Mobile C7 is not changeable, you can still look at it, because if it starts to look, this is a different battery, but this one is starting to fail and it's starting to get puffy. So if your battery is starting to get puffy, I mean, it's a sign that it's starting to fail and it may not power your phone on. All right, and moving on, let's go to the next one, which is your charging port. Make sure that your charging port is clear and there's no grime or dust or buildup, and that when you actually use your charger, that it plugs in all the way cleanly. There's a clean, crisp click. And if it's blocked with a little bit of gunk, you can get an old paintbrush and try to get some of that gunk out. And if that doesn't work, you can use if you still have the little tiny sim tool. That sim tool is small enough to help get some of that grime. Be very, very gentle and delicate to pull the grime out of the way. And if you don't have that little tiny sim tool, a smaller sewing needle. This one's kind of big, but you can get some of the grime and buildup out of the charging port to make sure it's taking a charge. All right, and then moving on, the next thing to check is to make sure that your charging brick and your charger actually work. And what you can do is that you can plug in a different device to make sure that it's charging. And unfortunately, sometimes they just fail. The cord, the cable is going to fail because we bend it and, abuse it quite a lot. And sometimes the inside breaks, sometimes right here breaks. So if that's the case, borrow a friend's charger and see if that will charge your phone, and there's your answer. It's probably your charger. And then last thing to check is that the outlet that you're plugging your phone in, make sure there's electricity. Plug a light or a fan to make sure you're getting electricity to your charger. So those are the 6 things to check if you are having problems powering on your Cloud Mobile C7. If this has helped you, please subscribe. And if you want to watch a video about speeding up your Cloud Mobile C7, watch this video next.